Hey guys, so we're still in the pandemic right now. We're on our seventh lockdown here in Victoria, and yeah, before I used to say that yeah, if you can just think things out and you can just figure things out and get over things, you can do whatever you can. Like you can fight depression and stress. So I used to think that stress and depression are is all only in your mind back when I was home. But yeah, as you grow up, you realize a lot of things. And yeah, right now I've realized that stress, depression, mental health is very important. And yeah, so I'm just urging every one of you to like take care of yourself and yeah, make sure that you talk to someone if you're feeling down low and everything. And just ask for help. Don't hesitate to ask for help because the thing is, yeah, these people around you want to help you and they understand whatever you're going through. And yeah, there might be some who think that you're just asking around and just something to get over with. I used to think that, and yeah, last semester, last year, my first semester studying back 2020, I was doing masters, and yeah, I fell down the drain, and like it was shit, man. I couldn't move, I couldn't do anything. I just lie down in bed. Well, I thought I got over it, and I was able to cope up after a while, but that was way while, way later, not while. But yeah, right now it's 2021, and yeah, I was looking into getting a lot of things to do. Like we were opening up, and now we're back on lockdown. So I don't know. I just suddenly couldn't write anything, couldn't do anything. I just stare at the computer. I just try to do other stuff. I might stall or everything, but the thing is, nothing's coming up in my head, and it's hard. I'm just so glad that I have people around me who tries to help me and knows what I'm going through. So even though I have them, the thing is, I'm still struggling. So I hope you guys understand that mental health is not a joke. And yeah, just lend a hand. Just be a good human being, and everyone will be all right. But as of now, what I can say is that I'm still in the middle of it. I'm still struggling. I have help, but I'm struggling. And yeah, I just want to tell you guys also that it's okay. Like if you feel bad, if you're feeling stressed, if you're feeling depressed, yeah, that happens to everyone, and uh, nobody's immune to it. So if you're stressed, if you're depressed, if you're not feeling fine, talk to someone before it's too late.